Kantanga,
Nana,
I want you to explain to me why you and your family are going about peddling lies about my son.
Nana, my daughter will never lie to me.
So who is lying? Is it my son or your daughter? Look, I don't want to hear a word from you nor any member of your family on this issue again. Do you understand?
Nana, my daughter has a witness.
And so what? And so what? I say the case is closed, finished. How can you accuse him without facts? Look, I'm going to sanction your family. You will appear before the court at the next sitting. You.
Nana, I know my daughter will never lie to me.
Kantanga, are you challenging my authority?
Please, Nana, don't sanction my family at your court.
Go. Go. Don't let me hear a word on this again.
Me.
Let me alone. Let me alone.
Come back here. What do you think you're going to tell me, eh? Huh?
What do you want me to do for you? I say I don't feel like it. Leave me alone.
Do you think I married you just to rot away? I also need to be satisfied by a man. And that man is you. Huh? And I'm still watching me, mom. What's you see me also?
I have to go to see Nana. Then when I come back, we can talk.
Satisfy me, or I will not let you go. Me say, mommy, what's you see me also? Me my own baby.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go.
But don't hold me. You don't have to hold me. Leave me alone.
What are you doing?
Stop it.
Come back here. Roger, useless man. You come and meet me here, foolish man.
Emumpa, ene wiase de. Anwonwasem empa wo wiase da. Anti aboa bi betumi a kire onipa dasani awe. Aye huni moja ba kumpo sa sofom.
Ni nyina musu bone.
Wo de bibia wo wiase a wonte ase bia isusun bone. Ha? Na no kura ne poma yirae. Wo se sunsun bone na abefa poma no ko. Ache du so mu a na ko ba se na no wi nsanfu oha no. Na oja poma no wo titiefi so.
Me se sunsun bone a.
Asubasiru no.
Mommy anu se ma sunsun bone no. Yeah. Ujano na eba no. Mo se do sinam. Onam bum se kura.
If I have decided to come to drink some palm wine, is it something to laugh at?
Boja, ya mamu amabu je la se bedum. No nya pa no bi ele si ovoro. No bi.
Oh.
Bema, asma e bebu sawi. Kamu no kura bi a kire ye. Ne ebeboa wo. Wate? Ka kire ye.
What's your question?
Why does your wife keep complaining at night?
You know women, if you do it, they complain. If you don't, they complain.
Isn't it more of you can't do anything at all?
What nonsense are you people
Where
saying?
you nonsense yourself? Where you nonsense yourself? Hey, me yali na ande ha me. Atadwe ene nkati ada Roma. Ene bi gina ho pinti. Kan ye mo a, uya mo a.
Ojam! Ojam! Ojam, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Opa, kobusa me. Oba catch your kwame fasu. Edo so na na.
Como sabes me yere? Me fi shake. Me shake.
Ne ko bisa we.
Sradia.
Oda no ada say ti.
Wa do sradia.
Bodewa.
Hey, also him to on. Shade.
Badu, have you seen Osa?
For what?
Oh, I think you should have gone to apologize to her.
Nonsense. Oh, no, about patch order.
I'm sorry. I just hope it is all over and we can get on with our lives.
What do you mean by it is all over?
Yentu. Badu,
It is not over until I say it is over.
So all this time, what have you been doing?
I have been keeping it to myself, but now I'm fed up. I am giving out the best part of my young life to a useless old man.
But he treats you well, so there's no need to complain.
What good is all that when I cannot stand proud that Boja also performs? Men's remaining prepare.
Get this.
What for?
Boil it and make sure he drinks it every morning.
How many times will I boil all the herbs in the bush? I want to ask Nana Hima to have our marriage dissolved.
That is not the solution.
In fear nine. Me sepe me hoda. Opese me tena ne ho. Dabi da.
Your case is not different from mine.
What's all I want to say? What's your problem?
AGYA has kept away from me ever since the son died. He doesn't eat. He doesn't even talk.
Hey!
Buadua, the man has changed.
So, where is he?
I don't know. He walked out to somewhere this morning.
He doesn't go to farm.
Farm?
Abba, what's he doing?
He has gone hunting.
For the past 3 days, all he has done is hunt. And so on fire nam and my da.
Haven't you seen Buadua?
So is this AJ?
You've seen it for yourself. This is what he has become.
Abba, near me cool. Me da si why?
Yo, no man why? Ebe.
Buadiwa, I am in total disagreement with you. I will not support a divorce.
Nana Hima. Me na me damage. Na mnim se de sisi shemefa. Asem we de bro me so.
Ewo mu se wo hwiri bibi de. Nanso woja, woyi na se de se kunu.
Nana Hima. There's something that I'm missing is what is important to me. Nana, don't you have yours? You see, we all need it. Yenina, yehia.
Unu kuna kasa.
Dabi, I feel I'm perceiving neka.
Eni na si abotre. Na wio aha no am de ama won.
Mati. Pacho me se kwa kakra.
Buadiwa. Buadiwa. Buadiwa.
What do you want?
Openi, I'm looking for Buadiwa.
Oh, you are the one who has been feeding her with the wrong ideas.
What are you saying, Openi?
Don't pretend. You say I'm not a man. You show me. Show me which part is not a man. Show me. Show me.
Openi, honestly, I don't know what all this is about. I'm only here to visit my friend.
Well, she has gone to the farm.
Thank you, Openi.
Na AGYA kuna wo here.
Hey, onso oduabo. AGYA hu asen na abusa. Ene de AGYA abof no. Na sema ye mobo papa. AGYA na sema ye mobo papa.
Awumawu ya. Awumawu ya papa. Se uba penyi pa wanye du se bewu. Asema to no.
Emom. Ohwema ne dobo pa na ne wafiri mu. Nti AGYA de no kwini na sema ye mobo papa.
Me ne ma were hokura ne Buadiwa.
Aden. Usurana. Ha? Twini anim da ho aye monche. Ha? Se boja do branda. Na wo de sita o do branda.
Hwe me ye de ho ka me dakoro pe ne mani abre.
Ako wani pa boni papa unye nipa. Ako wa papo. Hey, ene o yiri huna mane.
Oda.
Hey. Mati se se oja wale o.
Oye.
Oh, me yere wan. Buadiwa.
Kai, wo ja wale. Aha, ene asma tukusie.
Mo mi enwe bibi.
Sale.
Opanyin trafie ma se fa sonfo. Ana so tro mi enu so ye ni ha ne.
Mom.
Enti mo mi ene Buadiwa nkasa. No ntena boja ho saa.
So beti ase dia.
Obeti ase.
So beti ase nkwan dia. Obeti ase.
Enti ase na ne hia.
Obeti ase.
Hey, come out. Come out and talk to me. If you're a woman, come out and talk to me.
What do you want me to do for you at all? Tell me.
Where is my food?
Food.
Where is my water to bath? You have refused to attend to me, your husband, for 3 days. Then today, the Queen Mother calls me and tells me you want a divorce.
Yes, I want a divorce.
I suppose you have told the whole village that your husband is impotent.
Are you not? If you are not, tell me.
What kind of a woman are you? You really want to disgrace me?
For your information, I have only spoken to the Queen Mother because it is customary in such cases. And if you can't prove yourself as a man, let me tell you, then you are as useless as a stone. Just a war, man, was shown who bonnet.
Paco, vienu, yes, sir, and 9, yes, sir, and 9, and there. Wow, you here. Oh, how you movie? Oh, we know more. We know how many young people. Jaja, you know how old you are. Jaja, I didn't think about how old you are. Asantua, do you know what has happened to Dabi?
Hey, it's a serious thing. I think her husband will be found guilty.
Who are you to judge?
That is why I say tradition is sometimes useless. If Buediwa had allowed Openyiboja to test her, she would have known that he's not working. As for me, I will never marry an old man.
Asantua. Tell me the truth. What about Bedi? I can see he really loves you. Well, I don't.
Oh, stop being a fool. Dear. Being a prince and heir to the throne of this village, you'll be privileged to...
I think there is something wrong with your head. You and I know that once we put on these beads, we cannot touch nor see the nakedness of a man. Neither can they do the same to us. So what are you talking about?
You know what? Just allow him to do something small.
I can see you are not correct up here.
So you are leaving me?
Yeah.
Boja, me pese mbusu Asem kakra. Wo yere no, no yare ana.
Certainly, yes. Nana, she was diagnosed of a heart problem. Unfortunately, she died when she had the attack.
Council of Elders, I don't believe what Boja is saying. He had threatened to kill his wife before. The wife reported him to me last night.
Nana, to the best of my knowledge, there had been cordial relationship between Boja and the wife. And I know of the woman's problem.
Nana,
If he claims that the wife was killed by heart attack, then we have to consult the fetish priest. He will be in the right position to tell us the truth.
Oh, Nahima, how can Boja kill his own wife? Huh? The woman died through heart attack, as he is saying.
Well, our chairman,
Nana,
we shall invite the chief priest at our next meeting.
Je, so Nana Asem.
Therefore, said your mark on for Sieni, or so no penny for when you are so, no Montiano.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy.
Or therefore, said your mark on for Siano. Or say, Aya, or Penny Boja Tiway, needing a one when him movie. Therefore, Nana Asem mu asunti say, ayo panyi boja. Odi kwenti ba na born yire no.
Boja, you've heard the chief priest. What have you to say?
Boja, speak. We are waiting for you.
Nana, I swear by your stool, I didn't intend to kill. We had a little misunderstanding, and accidentally my club hit her.
Nana, I told you I don't believe Boja. What is the sense in what he is saying? For lying in this house, I cannot believe him again.
Boja, why did you kill her? Why?
She threatened to divorce me because I couldn't have sexual intercourse with her. I begged her to rescind her decision, but she insisted. In order to avoid disgrace,
So, Boja, you have really disappointed me. You have.
Boja. We are sini papa. What we know here now? Netina so kunu. Oh, Dabi.
Boja, for lying to this house and for killing your own wife, I sentence you to death. By life. Ashami, call me the warrior.
Ye kojo, enyananka.